This 2023 Gulfstream Conquest Class C 63111 is a Class C RV. It is located in West Palm Beach, FL 33407 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Gulfstream is 31 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 9, Slideout, and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, bunkhouse, rear bedroom. This 2023 Gulfstream Conquest Class C 63111 is built on a Ford E450 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.